Welcome to the Divine Light Within You newsletter. How you guys doing today on this beautiful Sunday? Now, let's jump into the new week and the new topic. Last week, we learned that our vital force is very important to our healing development. But before we go deeper into healing, we must understand something that is crucial to our expansion challenge. Your body is not separated from your spiritual life. Your body is the vessel that carries your spiritual life. Your body is the vessel that carries your spirit and soul through this human experience. As a refresher, when your vital force is strong, you feel grounded, clear, connected. On the other hand, when your vital force is drained, you feel exhausted, scattered, emotionally reactive, or disconnected from yourself. Here's my question to all of you. What is silently draining your life force? This week, we begin exploring where does that energy go? And for some people, the answers are hidden blocks. Hidden blocks do not always look dramatic. Sometimes they appear as tension in the body, overthinking, emotional overwhelm, and repeating patterns in a relationship or life situation. These blocks can live in three areas: the body, the spirit, and the soul. Let's get familiar about the three hidden block layers. Number one, body blocks. They are stored emotional and physical tension. They appear as tight shoulders, headache, stomach discomfort, fatigue, and shallow breathing. Keep in mind, this is not your body attacking you. Your body is trying to communicate with you. Second block, spirit blocks. Spirit blocks happen when we disconnect from stillness, constant noise, distraction, and stimulation. When the spirit has no place to breathe, guidance become harder to hear. And the third block is soul blocks. Soul blocks are the deepest. They happen when we repeatedly ignore out inner truth, staying where it feels small, keeping relationships that drain us, avoid decisions we must take. Over time, these choices create energetic resistance. That the resistance block the flow of our vital force. With all this in your mind, I want us to begin to implement the system that I call Sunday Sacred Preparation, preparing the spirit and soul. Before this week begins, take a moment to reconnect with yourself. The items that you will need are the following: a candle or a tea light, rose quartz crystal, or clear quartz. The essential oils that I recommend are lavender or frankincense. Now, if you have an allergic reaction to lavender or frankincense, choose the essential oil that you are comfortable using and a notebook so you can write down your information. Here are the steps. Light your candle, place one drop of your essential oil on your palm, rub it through in your hands, then bring them slowly up close to your nose. Breathe in and breathe out. And we are going to use the 4-6-8 breathing exercises so it can help you get into a deeper, relaxed state. So join me right now in doing a small exercise so that you can understand how to do this. Okay? Inhale for 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale for 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, As you breathe, invite in Archangel Michael for protection, Archangel Raphael for healing, and your loving ancestors to guide your awareness. Ask yourself gently right now, where in my life am I giving without receiving? You're going to take a minute, and then when the information comes to you, write it down. And once you get your information, we thank them for their beautiful moment and we send them off with love and light. Make sure you have this information with you because when we do our Warrior Wednesdays guided meditation, we're going to use this information that we receive during that guided meditation. Now, before I let you guys go, I want you to affirm this entire week with this affirmation. I honor connections that nourish my spirit and release those that are no longer aligned with my growth. All right, my beautiful souls, take this energy with you into the new week. Continue protecting your vital force and honoring your healing journey. Until we meet again, take care. God bless. Bye bye.